To Elon Musk's credit, he isn't the only one who thinks the Shiba Inu coin could be the future of cash. Dogecoin, Doge, and the Shiba Inu SHIB have all seen significant price increases after Musk, the billionaire and CEO of Tesla, publicly expressed his appreciation for and involvement in the business. Thus, some projects go to great lengths to attract Musk notice, knowing that even a passing mention from him may catapult their endeavor into orbit. Today, I'd like to discuss why Tesla is expected to approve the SHIB in the near future, and why the SHIB price will shortly reach 10 cents. Please watch this entire video because today's video is going to blow your mind. Hi there, and welcome to Wealthy Coin, where you can get your regular Shiba fix. This is the best resource for learning about Shiba in general. If you want to know what will happen in the crypto market before it happens, you need to subscribe to SHIB News. Let's check out the Shiba price movement on the 8th of October on the accompanying chart before we go into our main point. The Shiba Inu price is bumping up against some stiff opposition as it attempts to head higher. The Bitcoin price increase on September 4 gave all coins a brief period of optimism. But market conditions are shifting swiftly, which could lead to a reversal of trend. When it comes to price, Shiba Inus are unbeatable. Between July 31 and September 15, the price of a Shiba Inu rose by 50% after breaking through a support level at 118 cents. This support level was broken during the selling that began on September 15 and has now become a resistance level. The outcome was a 16% decline in the value of Shiba Inus, which is now reversing. With the recent uptick in buying interest, SHIB is once again testing the 118 cents level. If buyers are unable to break through this resistance, a rejection will occur, which might lead to a sell-off as Bitcoin's price levels down after its recent gain. Depending on how buyers and sellers respond to that level, Shiba Inu's price could make a move that benefits the bears. If the meme coin makes a lower bottom below the October 2 swing low at 107 cents, that will cement the downtrend. After this, a drop below the 92 cents support level for Shiba Inu is likely for investors to await. With this change, the dog's loss would be 20%, which is probably the very worst case scenario. A secret code. Okay, let's get back on track here. Many investors are confused because Musk recently said a takeover for less than $54.20 per share was still conceivable. However, Twitter would like Musk to recall that this is not the case, as he has already promised to pay the full fee. Musk would have to pay $1 billion penalty if he were to pull out today. Despite, or perhaps because of this legal requirement, Musk has been completely chaotic on Twitter over the past few days. Maybe he has changed his mind about buying the company, at least not for $44 billion. Musk's $11 million bid has been laden with emotion from the beginning. His motives for the coup were never clear. He said things like the pursuit of personal gains didn't figure into my decision, and instead he focused on different annoyances I had with the social network. Since the Twitter board approved the transaction, it has become increasingly tedious to see. Musk spends his days challenging his soon-to-be company on its own social network and even responded to CEO Parag Agrawal with a feces emoji. There appears to be no more filtering on Musk's part as of late on Twitter. He's experiencing a crisis of confidence because of all the bots on the platform, and he says he won't complete the transaction until he knows how many bogus accounts there are. Musk, however, wanted to acquire Twitter precisely because of the bots, so that he could play the role of savior by eliminating them. Consequently, that's the case right now. Furthermore, Musk contacted the SEC, an agency he has spent years criticizing over the bot problem. I guess that's to be expected from Musk. There is no rationale for his newfound preoccupation with spam accounts and automated systems. Now he says Twitter's own statistics on the prevalence of spam and bogus accounts, 5%, are completely wrong. About 20% is what he thinks it is. It's not obvious where he got that figure. Putting on this show probably cost Musk $44 billion, and he has decided he no longer wants to spend that much on Twitter. There is no need to look any further than his initial takeover bid announcement, in which he boldly promised to win over the robots. This dude enjoys stomping all over his word. Let's discuss how Elon Musk's Twitter partnership has helped the Shiba Inu breed. To those who aren't familiar with Elon Musk's involvement with dog-related cryptocurrencies, this piece of information may appear out of place. Despite their long and storied past, Shiba Inu seem to luck out whenever good Musk news in the headlines. Elon Musk began publicly supporting Dogecoin in early 2021. The billionaire frequently tweeted about Doge last spring, when its price was at an all-time high. However, crypto specialists have recently become aware of the CEO's ability to exert control over the company's assets thanks to the data at his disposal, including the option to send Bitcoin. When he tweets, the value of Bitcoin in US dollars goes up or down. Unsurprisingly, this impact is felt across the board in the cryptocurrency industry. The Doge price collapsed after Musk appeared on Saturday Night Live, and it was mostly due to the emergence of other popular coins. They, too, started to leave. Musk increases in popularity in social media. Since Musk began tweeting about his own real-life dog in the summer of 2016, the Shiba Inu, the second largest breed, has been steadily gaining ground on Musk's Shiba Inu tweets. The token's trajectory was adjusted to head for a new record high. Naturally, this plan failed as Musk revealed. Musk, regardless of his ownership, has been quite successful at increasing the value of Shiba Inus. Investors won't be upset if the move yields a profit. Coins like Shiba and Doge have seen increased trade volumes and are trending throughout social media since the Twitter deal was announced. Shiba is a new cryptocurrency, and Musk may have a disproportionate amount of control over it, since he has spoken highly of the token on numerous occasions leading up to his SNL hosting gig on May 8. The cost of it has skyrocketed. Then, presumably because Musk had joked about Dogecoin being a scam, its value plummeted. Maybe investors thought they were selling at the peak of the cryptocurrency market, or maybe SHIB just works in odd ways. Legislators will raise an alarm if regular investors start losing money after claiming to have fallen under Musk's spell, and the subsequent action might make it more difficult for Americans to trade cryptocurrency and dissuade crypto firms from operating in the United States. We all know Elon Musk is a big fan of Shiba Inu-based coinage, and if Tesla starts accepting SHIB, Musk predicts the company would go boom. Recent actions may have caused chaos in the crypto exchange market, but do they constitute market manipulation? I don't get that. Jana Conquo, a partner at Goldstein and McClintock who specializes in securities law connected to cryptocurrencies, stated that Musk is not the first celebrity to make optimistic and happy sentiments about crypto. Musk was not compensated by any of these token projects to increase their value. Unlike other social media influencers and celebrities who have gone into conflict with the SEC, perhaps he isn't the only one influencing markets through social media. Keep GameStop in mind. However, regulators and lawmakers are looking at these practices regardless of whether they are illegal. We'll have to wrap up here for now. We'd also like to point out that this isn't a platform from where we'd expect you to seek financial advice or be urged to make any kind of investment.